Trout Company manufactures a single product. During the manufacturing process, a small number of units do not pass final inspection and are destroyed. What is the appropriate accounting treatment for the cost of these units? These costs should be A, added to the cost of good unit produced, B, ignored as immaterial, C, expensed as incurred, or D, added to the cost of warranties. This question is really testing your knowledge of spoilage. But do you see the word spoilage anywhere in the problem? Nope. You needed to identify that when the small number of units do not pass final inspection and are destroyed, that we're talking about a spoilage topic. So now let's review the accounting rules for spoilage. Normal spoilage is the amount expected in the ordinary course of production. The accounting treatment is to include normal spoilage as part of a product cost. Abnormal spoilage is spoilage over and above the amount expected in the ordinary course of business. The accounting treatment is to highlight abnormal spoilage as a period cost. So what do you think here? Is the spoilage in this problem talking about normal spoilage or abnormal spoilage? One word I like to focus on is small. This is a small number of units. They didn't mention this being over and above and extra beyond what they would normally expect. So this problem is talking about normal spoilage in the ordinary course of production. So let's review the choices again, and let's start down at the bottom with D. Added to the cost of warranties. Well, spoilage has nothing to do with warranties, so we won't worry about D as being one of our answers. Okay, so that leaves us with A, B, and C. C says we would expense the cost as incurred. Now, if this problem was talking about abnormal spoilage, C would have been our correct answer. But because this is normal spoilage, we cannot expense as incurred. B says ignored as immaterial. We cannot ignore spoilage. It has to be recorded. So B is not the correct answer either. That leaves us with choice A, added to the cost of the goods of the units produced. In ordinary course of business, normal spoilage should be included as a product cost. So A is the correct answer.